In this modern world, we are surrounded by many machines. These machines not only made our work easy, but also saved our time and money. Like many other machines we use daily, a very useful machine, which is called tire changer, becomes very helpful when it comes to change a punctured or old tires of our vehicle. These are being used in every tire puncture shop to mount and dismount tires from rim. In order to see how these machines change tires and what components are involved in their working, stay tuned with this video. Inside a tire changer machine, there are 5 major systems that work together for operation. The bead loosening system, tabletop and rim clamps, foot pedals, mount-to-mount mechanism, and an air pressure system. First, let's talk about bead loosening system. When there is a need of tire change, first it is placed in bead loosening system. The bead loosening system releases the tire bead from the rim of the wheel. The bead loosening system consists of an arm near the bottom right side of the tire changer. There is a shovel-shaped metal piece at the end of the arm called the bead loosener shoe. The bead loosener shoe pivots and is rounded to accommodate the shape of a wheel. On top of the arm, there is a handle with a button on top to engage the bead loosening system. Across from the shovel-shaped metal piece, there are rubber squares to protect the wheel from scratches during the loosening procedure. The next system is tabletop and rim clamps. The most important system in tire changer is mount-to-mount mechanism, which separates the tire from rim. It contains 2 pneumatic cylinders that are driven by pressurized air, a turntable, and its mounts. These mounts are opened and closed by a self-centering chunk, which is derived through pneumatic cylinders. After the tire is released from rim and bead loosener, it is mounted on the tabletop. The tabletop and rim clamps hold and rotate the wheel to mount or dismount a tire. The tabletop is directly above the foot pedals and below the mount-to-mount mechanism. The tabletop is able to rotate clockwise and counterclockwise. This top is shaped as the letter X, but it can be a circle in different tire changer models. The whole machine is controlled by the 3 foot pedals. The right pedal is called the bead lever control pedal. Middle paddle controls the position of table clamps, and the right paddle opens and closes the bead arm. Once pressed, pneumatic valves is opened and pressure is transferred to respective cylinders. For turning the table, an electric motor with pinion and gear is used for high torque requirement. The mount-to-mount mechanism consists of the duck head, swing arm, and vertical slide. The duck head is at the bottom end of the vertical slide. The duck head is uniquely shaped, like a tapered bill, to fit next and surround the rim of a wheel. The duck head mounts and demounts the tire from the wheel. The purpose of the swing arm is to move the duck head near or away from the rim to fit with different tire sizes. The last component of the mount/demount mechanism is the vertical slide. The vertical slide moves up and down so that the duck head can fit onto the rims of different size wheel widths. The vertical slide has a spring and locking handle above the swing arm to set the duck head and maintain a stable position around the rim. The air pressure system on a tire changer performs 2 main tasks. It provides the air to inflate tires mounted on wheels, as well as air pressure requires to operate the tire changer machine. This is end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe this channel for more such knowledgeable videos.